Alrighty, here's part 2 of this. Got the switch put back in, got it all back together. Seems to be working. I still think it's going to be intermittent, so we're going to run it, make sure it shuts off, and if not, eventually I'm going to have to replace that switch. And hopefully by the wonders of editing, I'll be able to make this all one video instead of part 1 and part 2, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, let's take it back here. Okay, so I still have these hooked up this way. I have the meter, and I want to check it before I put these two back together. Okay, you hear it buzzing. That's the off position. So that's what you turn it off to shut the engine off. I hear it kind of intermittent, so that's what's kind of scaring me. So, with that, we'll just connect these little guys here. Disconnect this one. And we have to bring these two here together because that's the kill switch part. So let me set the camera down here for a second. I'll have to have you guys up this way for a second. So put these two together. I'm hoping. Oh boy, I can't get that sucker in there. There we go. Okay, so we join those two together. Bring you back over here. These are the two that are connected to the kill switch. And we're going to cheat and use electric start. I'm not going to pull start it today. We got gas petcocks on, fuel filter installed, chokes pulled out. Let's see what happens. Got gas in it, check the oil. Okay, here we go. Oh, it works. Cool. It's not warm enough yet. It, so we're going to let that run for a while, and let's get some light in here. There we go. We're going to let that run for a while. It's been sitting all summer long and most of the fall, so we'll let that run. Get some oil circulated in there. Hopefully that switch will stay working, and that's about all I got for you. So you guys have a great Saturday. Have a great Super Bowl weekend. I'll catch you guys here pretty soon. Thanks a lot. Oh, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Little button down there somewhere. Take care, guys.